ज्योतिष के क्षेत्र में अपनी सफलता का परचम लहरा चुके ज्योतिष गुरु श्री के.एन. राव के हाथों मेडल से सम्मानित, अपनी सटीक भविष्यवाणी के लिए सुप्रसिद्ध और ज्योतिष अलंकार एवं ज्योतिष आचार्य अवार्ड से सम्मानित ज्योतिष आचार्य रमन जी।
Hello friends, this is Acharya Raman, Vedic astrologer since last 20 years. We are taking up a new series, Debilitated and Exalted Planets in Different Houses, their effects and remedies to it. Friends, there is a misconception that if a person has more of an exalted planet, then his horoscope is strong and he will do well in his life. Whereas a person having more of a debilitated planet, then he has to face much of the problems in life. But if I ask you, would it be good if your enemies is stronger than you? Or would it be good if disease is stronger than you or your body? Or would it be good if debt or loan is stronger than your savings? The obvious answer would be no. So just think, if sixth lord, which is the Dusthana lord and a malefic lord, if it is exalted, then wouldn't you get the above results where enemies will defeat you, disease will overpower you and debts will overburden you, because lord of bad house is exalted or strong in your chart. Everybody would want the result other way around. So we simply come to a conclusion that Dusthana lord should be debilitated or weak, and the lords of houses which are benefic for you, like Trine lord, should be exalted or strong. In fact, friends, the debilitated lord of bad houses, or if lords of malefic houses or Dusthana houses are debilitated, then it is basically a blessing in disguise. We'll learn all this in a very simple and easy way when we move ahead, which even a person who is not very much familiar with Vedic astrology would understand quite easily. Also friends, if you like my video at the end, then please comment on it, like it and subscribe to my channel. So friends, let us start the series Astrology the Easy Way, Debilitated Planets in Different Houses. The next one in the series is Moon. So let us start with debilitated Moon in the first house. Moon is debilitated in Scorpio, which is number 8 Rashi. As you can see the Lagna chart here, the first house always remain where ascendant is written. The number written here can change because these are sign or Rashis. But the first house always remain where ascendant is written. As you can see in the chart, 8 number written, which stands for Scorpio, then 9 number for Sagittarius, then 10 number for Capricorn, Aquarius, Pisces, Aries, Taurus, Gemini, and so on. So let us start with the result of debilitated moon in the first house. A favorable debilitated moon placed in the first house of a horoscope can give very good results regarding the financial prosperity and professional success of the native, and natives under the strong influence of such a benefic placement of moon are likely to be financially secure for most of their lives, and such natives are also likely to be successful in their profession. The results are, if it is favorable for you, then you get the financial security and also professional success. While an unfavorable debilitated moon in the first house of a horoscope can trouble the native on account of health issue which may be physical or psychological in nature, some of the natives under the strong influence of this malefic placement of debilitated moon can get afflicted with one permanent disease right from their birth or their early childhood. If unfavorable, then it gives health and psychological problems which could be like stress, depression or anxiety. A malefic debilitated moon in the first house of a horoscope can also cause delay and setbacks in professional sphere of the native, and some of the natives under the strong influence of this malefic placement may start their career very late or very late in their life. If moon is malefic in the first house, then the career of the native starts very late in life. The remedies would be, if it is favorable for you, like if it is Trine Lord and moon is aspected by benefic and posited with benefic and good dignity, then the native should wear a pearl. Otherwise, they should chant moon mantra, which would be Om Shra Shri Shro Sah Chandray Nama. Also, the native can wear 2 Mukhi Rudraksha. Also friends, these remedies are generally in nature. To know the specific remedies, I need to see the chart in totality, then only I can recommend or advise any specific remedy. Hope friends you like my video, and if you did like it, then please do comment on it, share it, and also subscribe to my channel. And if you need any consultation from me, you can WhatsApp me on 9911351351, or you can log on to www.astrologerraman.com. Thank you friends.
अगर आप भी समस्याओं से परेशान हैं और समाधान पाकर अपने जीवन को सुखमय बनाना चाहते हैं, तो जाने माने ज्योतिषाचार्य आचार्य रमन जी से मिलकर इन सभी समस्याओं का समाधान प्राप्त करें। 3341 सेक्टर 23 हुड्डा, गुड़गांव, हरियाणा 122001। हमारे कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर्स हैं 09911 351 351, 08130 201 201। हमारी वेबसाइट है www.theindianastrologer.com।